Do you spend a lot of time writing down content and creating presentations? What if I told you there's a seamless way to create PowerPoint presentations using AI? I've been testing some AI PowerPoint tools for the past few weeks, and I was amazed at how easily we can create high-quality presentations without much effort. Imagine being able to impress your colleagues or clients with high-quality and engaging presentations like this that you created in a fraction of the usual time. Sounds good, right? Well, buckle up because in this video, I'm gonna show you a step-by-step process for how to use AI and make PowerPoint presentations. So I'm your skill builder, and let's get started. To create a pop-up and presentation using AI, we are going to do 4 simple steps. First, let's click the link in the description, and it will take you to this page. This is the tool that we are going to use to create our AI presentations. Once you're on this page, we have to create an account on Gamma AI. So to create an account, just click sign up for free. Then sign up with your Google account. Click create workspace, and you will get this page. Once you have created your account, we can go to the next step, which is to create the presentation. Now here, you can see that we have 3 different methods to create the presentation. The first method is called paste in text, which lets you convert outline or notes into a presentation by using AI. In the second method, AI will generate the complete content and create the presentation with just a single line of text input. If you already have a presentation or a document and want AI to enhance it, then choose import a file. Okay, so these are the 3 methods which you can use to create the presentation. So just choose the method that best suits your needs. I've already prepared some notes for my presentation, and I want AI to generate the content and create the presentation. So I'm gonna use the paste and text method. So let's click continue. Now to create the presentation here, we need to paste the notes or the outline that we prepared for our presentation. These are the notes that I have prepared for my presentation. So let's copy them. Come back to this tab and paste the notes here. Once you have pasted your content, scroll down and make sure presentation is selected and click continue. Now you will be taken to this page here. Before we ask Gamma AI to start creating the presentation, we need to change a few settings. First, you need to choose how you want Gamma AI to generate the content for your presentation. So let's say you have an outline or just some notes, and you want AI to create the complete content based on your notes. Then you can select generate. Or if you already have the content and want AI to shorten it, then you can choose condense. Or let's say you have the content and you just want AI to reformat it without changing the original information. Then you can choose preserve option. Since I have already prepared these notes for my presentation and I want AI to generate the content based on my notes, I'm gonna select generate. Next, you need to select how much content you want Gamma AI to generate for each slide. Brief will give you a short content in bullet points. Medium will give you clear and concise content that gets straight to the point. And detail will give you lengthy and a more in-depth content. For my presentation, I'm going to choose medium. Now here you can specify your target audience, whether this presentation is for students or professionals. I'm going to leave it as it is. Next field, you can enter the tone of your presentation. I will go with the default tone. And as you can see here, we also have the option to choose the language for our presentation. There are over 20 languages to pick from, so just choose the one you want. I'll go with English, and after that, you need to choose how you want Gamma AI to get the images for your presentation. It can either collect the images from the internet or generate unique images using AI. I'll go with the web image search option. And here you can select the size of the slide. I'm going to leave it as it is. And once you have completed selecting all the settings, the next step is to select the number of slides that you want for your presentation. Here you can see we have the option called cards. In Gamma AI, slides are referred to as cards, so just select the number of slides you want from here. And with Gamma AI, you can create the presentations for up to 9 slides for free if you increase the number of slides. You can see that it says we need to upgrade to the Pro version. For my presentation, I'm going to set it to 8 cards. And if you see here, we're getting 400 credits for free. And to create the presentation with 8 slides, it costs only 40 credits. Okay, once you have set the number of slides you want, we can go ahead and create the presentation. So let's click continue and you will get this page. Here you can select the design for your presentation. I'm going to select this one and click generate. You can see that using the notes that we gave, Gamma AI has generated the complete content for my presentation. It has included a brief introduction, broken down all the content, and explained it in points. And it even added relevant images to enhance each slide. Amazing, right? Okay, so now we have successfully created the PowerPoint presentation using Gamma AI. Once you have created your presentation, if you want to make any changes to it, you can do that. So let's go to the next step, which is to edit the presentation. Let's say you want to change the text on the slide. So all you have to do is just select the text, enter the text you want, and it will be changed in the same way. You can change any text you want. Next, let's see how we can change this image. So to change the image, let's remove this old image. And to do that, just click on it. Then click here. And it'll be removed. Once you have removed the image, you can replace it with a new one, either from your computer or by searching online. However, if you're looking for some unique images with high quality like these, then you can easily get it from AI. So there's a tool on Gravity Write where you can generate some unique and high quality images. So to create an image using Gravity Write, just click the link below this video and it'll take you to this page. Now to create an image here, enter the description of the image that you want. For your presentation, I'm gonna ask you to create an image of a cake in an oven. And once you have entered the description, just set the quality to HD. Then choose the style of your image, whether you want it to look vivid or natural. I'm going to choose natural and click on Generate Image. You can see that it has created the image. Now let's click Download. And the image will be downloaded to your computer. Similarly, you can use Gravity Write to create any type of image you want. Once you have the image, let's see how to add this to our presentation. So to add the image, let's go to Gamma AI and click on this Upload Image icon. Then drag and drop the image from your computer. Close this. And you can see that the image has been changed. Now, if you want to focus on a particular area of the image, click here, then change the focus like this, and that's it. We've changed the image in the same way. You can create any type of images with Gravity Write and then add them to your presentation. Okay, so now that we've seen how to create an image using, next let's explore some other features of Gamma AI. If you look at the slide, you'll notice that Gamma AI has generated quite a lengthy content. If you don't want to have a lot of content on the slide and want to shorten, the Gamma AI has a handy built-in feature to help you with that. So to shorten the content, go here. And it'll bring up a menu with different AI-powered tools that you can use. Some of these options include making content shorter, longer, or even improving the writing. Each of these features costs 5 credits to use. As I want to shorten this content, let's go ahead and click on Make Shorter. And just like that, Gamma AI has shortened the text, making it clear and to the point. If you're still not happy with the revised content, you can easily regenerate it by clicking here. Once you have shortened the content, click here and it's done in the same way. You can use these Gamma AI features for the other slides too. Okay, so now we have completed editing our presentation. And once your presentation is ready, let's see a preview of it. To do that, click here and click on Full Screen. You can see that we have a preview of our presentation, and all the changes we made have been applied to our presentation. You can go through it and see how it looks. Once you're happy with the presentation, next let's go to the final step, which is to export the presentation. So to export the presentation, all you need to do is go here and click Export. Now, you can either export it as a PDF or a PowerPoint file. I'm gonna export it as a PowerPoint file. So let's click here, and it will be downloaded. Now let's open it. And you can see that we have got a presentation. That's so cool, right? We have created a presentation using AI in just a few clicks. So now you know how easy it is to create a presentation using AI. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, bye bye.